Have you noticed what's happening on the roads lately? The world of cars is changing right before our eyes, and it's happening faster than most of us ever expected. You see a car glide by, silent as a whisper. That's an electric car. It barely makes a sound, just a gentle hum, as it moves, almost like it's floating through the city. These vehicles are powered by batteries and electricity, not gasoline, and they're becoming more common every day. Then you hear the familiar rumble of an engine, a sound we've known for over a century. That deep, throaty growl is the heartbeat of the traditional car, powered by gasoline and pistons firing in perfect rhythm. That's a good old gas-powered car. For generations, these machines have been a symbol of freedom, adventure, and the open road. It seems like everyone is talking about this big choice, electric or gas. Families, friends, and even strangers are debating which is better, which is cheaper, and which is the future. We're standing at a huge crossroads in the history of the automobile. The decisions we make today could shape the way we travel for generations to come. People are asking big questions about how we get around, what it costs, and how it affects our world. It's not just about horsepower or style anymore. It's about the impact on our wallets, our environment, and our daily lives. It's a showdown between the old guard and the new kid on the block. The classic gas car with its legacy and nostalgia faces off against the innovative electric vehicle, promising a cleaner, quieter future. For decades, the only real choice you had was what kind of gas engine you wanted. Maybe you picked a V8 for power, or a four-cylinder for efficiency, but it was always about gasoline. Now, you can choose to skip the gas station entirely, plug in at home, charge up while you sleep, and wake up ready to go. It's a whole new way of thinking about driving,